Greetings, Father.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings.
Father, this is Ogechi, the maiden I wish to marry.
You have decided to take a second wife?
No, Father.
I don't understand you. I know you already have a wife. A wife who lives with you in this palace. A wife who has cooked for me as a king and I've eaten her meal. And I have proudly said, wife of my son.
Well, Father, I understand all of that. But I sent her away earlier today.
And I'm just hearing of it?
My apologies, Father. It's just that I cannot continue to tolerate her excesses.
So, can you tolerate this one?
Yes, Father, I can.
I cannot deny you of anything as my beloved son. As long as she will make you happy and prosperous and give you my blessings.
Thank you, Father. Thank you. I am grateful.
Thank you, Your Majesty. You are the man of the gods.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.